Hello grade 7 students, here is Summer 12 for week 12 and the topic for today is photosynthesis, production of organic matter. Introduction. Green plants can produce their own food in the form of organic matter by a process called photosynthesis if they are provided with the suitable conditions. This organic matter like proteins, starch, lipids and sugars are produced in the leaves then stored in fruits. To know if a certain plant is growing or not, we have to check whether it produces its food like starch. For this reason, iodine test is applied on the leaves. Iodine solution turns dark blue in color in presence of starch and yellow in absence of starch. Pick out the different types of organic matter we have from the text, like proteins, starch, lipids, and sugars. Name the process that produces them. It's called photosynthesis. Indicate the way to detect the presence of starch, so we have to indicate it so we don't justify. We say through applying iodine test. Necessary elements for photosynthesis. A student in grade 7 supposed that minerals, water, and CO2 are enough for a green plant to produce its own food. To validate this hypothesis, we conducted the following experiment on a leaf already watered and planted in open air. Pick out the tested hypothesis. We have to write hypothesis. Minerals, water, and CO2 are enough for a green plant to produce its own food. Pick out the variable factor. It's the sunlight here in this experiment. Analyze the results. As you see here, the part that was exposed to light, the part of the green plant, turned dark blue upon adding iodine to it, whereas the masked part of the leaf turned yellow upon applying iodine test on it. So how do we analyze it? We have to say the masked part of the leaf remains yellow while the uncovered part becomes dark blue after applying iodine test to the whole plant. Conclude concerning the presence of starch. We conclude that starch is present only in the uncovered part. Draw out the factor needed for photosynthesis. It's sunlight or light. Is the hypothesis validated? Justify. No, it needs light with minerals, water, and CO2 for the green plant to produce its own food. Importance of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment present inside the cells of the leaf. It gives the leaf its green color. Some plants have a multicolored leaves due to the absence of chlorophyll in only some parts of the leaf. Is the chlorophyll a necessity for photosynthesis to take place? To answer this question, we conducted the following experiment on a multicolored geranium leaf. Pick out the posed problem from the text. Is chlorophyll a necessity for photosynthesis to take place? The variable factor here is chlorophyll. Specify the part that produces the starch. Is the chlorophyllic part, but we have to justify. We say chlorophyllic part is the part that produces starch, since after applying iodine test, only the chlorophyllic part turned dark blue. So specify, don't forget, answer, then justify. Is the problem solved? Justify. Yes, since after doing iodine test on a multicolored geranium leaf exposed to light, the chlorophyllc part of the leaf turned dark blue, while the non-chlorophyllc part remained yellow. So the plant made starch in the part having chlorophyll only.